venture capital firms. They still have billions of dollars out there to spend. They're looking for some buying opportunities in none other than the media sector. These investors are gathering at the Montgomery Technology Conference in Santa Monica, California, and our Julie Borston just happens to be there for us live at this event with a guest whose finger is on the pulse of the media, M&A. Julia.
That's right, Trish. I'm joined this morning by James Montgomery, the CEO of Montgomery & Co., a boutique M&A bank which is hosting this conference, coordinating over 1,000 meetings between startups and potential investors. James, thanks so much for joining us.
Nice to have you here.
So many people would say this is kind of an odd time to have a conference like this. There seems to be no shortage of interest and money floating around.
That's correct. We have 165 companies that are growing rapidly. There's obviously big dislocations in economies. There's winners and losers, and the winners in the future are all here today.
So how has your business been affected by this recession?
Well, business has dropped back quite a bit, but we're still profitable and on a growth path, and we're only as good as our clients, and our clients are doing very well.
And when do you expect the M&A market to really pick up?
We're hearing signs second half of this year. The corporations are getting back into the market. The private equity players are largely on the sidelines, but the corporates are starting to buy again.
And because there are deals happening here, how do you see investors' interests changing now? Are the criteria different in this economy?
Yeah. Investors are looking for companies that are very capital efficient, get to profitability quickly, that use partnerships to bring their products to market more quickly, or just more efficient. And the corporations are also looking to fill in gaps in their R&D pipeline.
So what are some examples of sectors or companies that are really hot acquisition targets right now?
Oh, well, we can't talk. Splunk is a beautiful company. You met them yesterday. The IT infrastructure, very efficient in terms of customer acquisition, solve some big problems in the infrastructure. Airtight is in the intrusion detection space for wireless security. Those are both great companies, have proprietary technologies, rapid growth, and are well positioned.
So is there one company that's sort of the hot acquisition target here that's going to walk away and be acquired, within a number of days or weeks?
Well, in the past years, we've had MySpace here, and News Corp bought it afterwards, and I think we have a lot of activity here. I really shouldn't comment on a particular company.
Okay, well, we will have to keep an eye on it and see what transpires from this conference.
Yeah,
Thanks so much
for
joining us. Melissa, back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Julia.